Hi Rochelle, thanks for helping me try to set up my TechConnect account so I can start getting the emails again. So I'm just going to show you what I'm up against. I'm going to search from using our homepage. I'm going to search for TechConnect. And then I'm going to choose employer resources because I know that I can get there. If I click post a job, I know the link will be there. I'm certain there's a better way. Just haven't figured that out yet. So I'm going to click instructor because that's me, and then Madison College, and log in. And then I'm going to type in my username and my standard Madison College password. And okay. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know. Okay, let me try something else with you. So I'm going to go to my email, and I'd already requested this account, so they sent me an email back saying you're approved. Here's how you can log in. I'm going to try that link. So here's my email. I wonder maybe if it's because I didn't type in the whole gosh darn thing. If that's the case, if it gave me that error message because I didn't type in my whole email, it'd be really nice if it came back and told me that. I don't know if we have that possibility. Okay, so using this link, I'm going to log in. It does generally take forever to get logged in this way. But then when I go to my profile, I don't have anything called preferences. I have a link called settings that just doesn't seem to have anything. So I just want to show it to you so maybe you and me can work together on hunting down what to do. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my profile. You can see I've been messing around trying to do a good job with it. And then I don't see anything that says preferences, but if I scroll down, I have settings, which I think might be I've tried all of those others. I just can't find it. Under settings, I can't find it either. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. So what I'm trying to do is set up the auto-generated emails that come anytime a job is posted related to administrative professional, medical administrative specialist, office management, those types of degrees, the degrees in my department. If you have any suggestions, feel free to email me. Thank you.